I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by charging the Arbily case and earbuds to around half or more so the connection won't drop. This prevents mid-pair failures. Once charged, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and close other Bluetooth apps to avoid interference. Keep the earbuds in the case, open the lid, then press and hold the case or earbud power button until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode so the phone can discover the device and makes the next steps reliable. Once the earbuds are in pairing mode, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan for new devices. This reveals any nearby transmitters. Tap the Arbily model name when it appears. You may see a short confirmation prompt. Accept it so the devices exchange keys. Wait for the connected status or a solid LED. Take off an earbud and play audio to verify left/right audio routing. If you need stereo, make sure both buds are out of the case. You finish by testing media and call audio. Adjust volume and microphone settings so both sound and voice work. If connection fails, reset the earbuds by holding the power for 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then reinitiate pairing. This clears stale pair records and often fixes pairing loops. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth cache is clear and firmware updates are applied. Once paired, the earbuds should auto-reconnect when out of the case and Bluetooth is enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.